Alright, good morning guys. It is Saturday and I'm warming up this dually. I'm gonna store the trailer back of the shop and get some more diesel here. Switch out the buckets on the skid loader. We're gonna put on the S570, we're gonna put the Snow Wolf back on, and then we're gonna put the big bucket back on the 773 Bobcat. So that is the plan for this morning. I gotta go get the trucks filled up too. The snow is supposed to come Sunday, I believe, Sunday night into Monday morning. I better call and get our fuel here. So, are they delivering fuel at all today? Okay, could he stop by the Wishy-Washy laundromat and fill up my diesel? Okay. Yep. Okay. Yeah, yep. Okay. Yep, thanks, Matt. Alright, got that ordered. So, let's move the trailer. The trailer has to be moved first, just in case they come. We got our diesel fuel here.
Morning. Maybe.
I can't get this latched. One up on the top. Alright, I finally got it on. It was a little bit frozen. Got it. So we're gonna, since the fuel came, we're gonna finish up filling up the other Bobcat, and then we're gonna fill up this 773. all set and ready to go for Sunday. I think Sunday into Monday morning. So we got everything all ready, except the Ford. I gotta get the key from the dump truck yet. I left it in the dump truck. But the Ford, we're gonna put the tail, the ramp. We're gonna install the ramp later that goes in the hitch in the back. But right now, the plan is to use I switched out the buckets and put the Snow Wolf, the fast hatch, back on. Ever since we switched it from one Bobcat to the other, or we switched it from the S570 to the 773, we had problems pushing. So we never had problems pushing. So we're figuring it's the Bobcat. So we're gonna switch it back to the S570, or we switched it back from the S570, and hopefully that helps it. Because the S570 is a 2-speed, so it's got more push. We are here. Let's head in there. Yeah, see how it's going. So, God, it is getting cold. Morning, Jeff. Oh, man.
Well, about halfway done with this. We got the front and the back, and I'm going to stick on that side. So
No.
start doing the black.
Awesome, awesome.
They're very sweet.
Look at that.
Up there.
Look at this. Oh, yeah.
We'd love to give you that as your thank you gift. You are tuning in Northern Community Radio 91.7 KC Grand Rapids.
I am happy with the top.
And tomorrow, cloudy with 50%
Oh, yeah.
chance of some light snow, highs 15 to 20.